Viewers in the house, I'm back again with another edition of unboxing. Like this video, give it a thumbs up and please comment. I'm going to be unboxing and I'll be unboxing and I will also be wrapping gift for Christmas. So this video is going to be long, so please bear with me guys to see everything I'm going to do. Follow this page also, don't mind the background noise. You know, the mother that have children, you can't stop them not to chat and you can't stop them not to talk. Basta, piano. Okay, so guys, the first on my list is going to be this. Okay, so it came today. This is it. So we are going to open what is inside, then we are going to be wrapping it as gift. Okay, now you can see it. This is winter shoe, like for winter. I bought this for my daughter. So this is it guys. So I'm going to be wrapping this as gift for her, because like for going to school, like for schools, because her leg is too big. And so this is the first one guys. Okay, now the second shoe is going to be this. I bought this for my son. Now let's see how it is. Oh, isn't this cute? So cute, right? It's cute. So for baby boy, it's cute, right? This is it. So we're also going to be wrapping this. Then I bought this. This is a gift for someone. I'm going to be wrapping this. So I just said I should show it to you guys. So I'm going to be wrapping it. Then also this, I'm also going to be wrapping it. So it's a season of sharing gifts guys. And also this, so you can guess this is for who. Write it down in the comment section. I'm also going to be wrapping this one. So then this arrived to be making my children hair. So I wanted to put this arrived today. So from Amazon today. That is I think this is the attachment. So guys, you can see how it is. Let's open one and see how it is. So this is how it is guys. I'm going to be using it for Bob Marley. But this also, this you can see it. I don't want to open it now. This one is just for my home stuff. Like instead of me using that traditional mop, like bucket and water, I decided to try this for less stress-free stuff. So guys, if you want to know the name and you want to buy something like this, for those of you living in Italy, you can comment below and I'm going to write the picture. Like I'm going to show you, I'm going to write the name, like give you the name of this. So it's very practical and very okay. So now the last part should be, oh, it's heavy guys. Let's open this. So now let's open it. I don't really know what is inside, but I think I'm going to open it for you guys. Let's see together. Okay, unfortunately, those didn't get to 5 edition like I was hoping. I did it fast. So let's see if it will get, because I've not done the wrapping of it. So definitely you will see. They will see if it will get. You know, Amazon, they can package stuff like you buy just little thing and they will package the whole Italy. They'll package it for you. Amazon. Okay, I forget, guys. This is to mop. I bought this for mopping. This like soap for mopping. So this does not need packaging. So for those of you new mom who love to wash feeding bottle, like this is for feeding bottle, and they don't smell. They don't leave any smell in that feeding bottle. I recommend this for you guys. I have used this for like 6 years now, and it's good. It's very, very good. This one don't need wrapping. It's just something I want to use at home. And this also is for floors, like practical stuff. I just need something that will be practical. So this is for floors, like, you know, I'm going to be using it for floors, like to sweep. This is for sweeping. So I'm going to be using it. And these, guys, so for those of you living in Italy, some house do have water, like, you know, they have water, like if you don't open your window, you might be seeing muffin all around. They call it muffin. I don't know what they call it in English. So I bought this absorb stuff, like to absorb the water and to keep my house dry. So this is just house stuff. So guys, if you need one of those, just comment below and I'm going to put it up